What up, Team Life Pack? I'm back with another video. I'm here with a special guest.
Here with your boy Roy, man. Go subscribe to my YouTube, That Boy Roy Productions, and join the MG squad. And yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna be reacting to Stormy and Cassidy drug dealer prank. Backfires. I watched this video before, but he hadn't. So we
I never even watched them before. I don't know.
Yeah. So.
Selling drugs. What's up, Storm Chasers? It's Chastity, and we are about to do a prank on Stormy. Alright, y'all. So I got all this money, y'all. I'm rich.
Fake.
No, I'm just kidding. This is counterfeit money. It's not counterfeit though, because it can't pass for real, so it's not illegal. It says for cinema use only on it. But it's so cool. Like, look at it. It's $10,000. And I got that word. Mama told me not to sell dope. It's dope. No, it's not dope. It is baking soda. It's scented. Okay, it is not dope. It's just baking soda. So please don't flag me, y'all. This is not drugs. I don't do drugs. Alright, but yeah, I got this dope. And I got this money. And I'm going to be sitting here counting my money. Stormy's coming home early, but she usually comes home at like 4. It's 2:29. And since she's coming home early, I am going to pretend like I didn't know she was coming home early and I didn't get her text message and be sitting here counting this money with this dope. So when she walks in, dope right here, counting all this guap, alright? Counting these hundreds, counting all these hundos. Basically, y'all, I'm gonna walk in and pretend like I didn't know she was coming home, and I've been dealing drugs.
She's gonna be doing stuff with her hair.
Okay, so that is what I'm about to do.
Natural.
I don't know how she's gonna react. I don't know if she's gonna even believe me. Hopefully, she does believe me. That just makes it that much more interesting. If she doesn't look at the money too closely, she'll think it's real. So hopefully, she doesn't like want to touch it or something, and that just helps us out even more. But yeah, so I think she'll just be upset just from the money alone, just because, like, where the hell have you kept this money? Whose money is it? But we are about to see, and she should be home in like 20 minutes, so I will keep the camera set up. Mama told me, God, not to sell work, but God, ain't color t-shirts, ain't so.
You need to come closer.
Hey, why are you doing that? What are you doing? I just kind of like. That's not. Is this your money?
No, you too far.
What? Chastity, what's going on here? Are you mad?
Why is she smiling though?
Oh.
Don't touch it, babe. Don't touch it. I'm serious. You don't want to touch it. What is going on? How much money is that? She's 10,000. That's 10. Chastity, what are you doing? I literally just got home from school. Like, what is going on? Are you mad? All I do is work. Hold on. I'm just trying to get this. Wait. You have $10,000 in cash right now with you. It's not yours. How cute is mine? There's no way that's yours. Sorry, I missed that. Me too! Chastity, this is not yours. It's not mine. You can just stop touching it. Stop touching it. Give it to me. Stop touching it. Stop touching it. You don't even have your fingerprints on that. You're selling drugs? I mean, don't touch this. It's not supposed to be touching it. You're selling drugs? Is that what you're doing now? Is that why we've been going out so much more? Hello, I'm talking to you. This is something serious, Chastity. You're selling drugs? Hello? Come on, you're a fucking drug dealer? I mean, it's not even like that. Who are you selling drugs for? You know drug dealers don't go after you. They come and get the people that you love. So if you're playing, then who's somebody else gonna come get you? Everybody's gonna come get you. How are you selling drugs? What are those? What is that, cocaine? What is that?
What's that, cocaine, crack?
Don't worry about it.
Meth.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about you selling drugs? Yeah.
It's meth.
Chastity, this is not a joke. I'm not playing with you. I'm about to leave you. You have $10,000 in cash. I don't know where you got it from. Money, sir. Okay, here, take it. Yeah, what's funny? What is funny? Because I still think, no, I'm not a drug dealer. I mean, no drug addict. I didn't think you were a drug dealer. I'm not a drug dealer. Yeah, you are, Chastity. This is nothing. I'm not gonna call the police on you, honestly. Sorry, stop. Stop.
She said, I'm calling police.
It's so funny. It's like you do something to help somebody out or to support the family. You're helping me out by selling drugs. But it's not about selling drugs, it's about the money. I knew you were suspicious when I walked in here. Because I know you. And now you're sitting here telling me all of a sudden that you're a drug dealer and you're selling coke and is that all that you sell those little small bags? Because that looks like small bag money.
She said
You need to get rid of that now. Rid of what?
I know, right?
All of this. You can't just fucking throw the shit away. No. You can't just throw it away. You want us to kill? I'm scared of you right now. I don't know what happened to you. You're scary.
Look at the dog though.
Alright. I'm recording.
You watching?
You're not doing shit. I know. You're doing shit.
Look, real parents fighting. You be like little kids just
I'm not a
watching.
fucking girl, are you, bro? I don't know. You're gonna hold somebody like drug dealers. Okay, like that. You're gonna hold somebody for 4 years. And they don't have police on you. Have you been selling drugs for 4 years? It doesn't matter. I fucked up that you called police on me first. Like, I'm losing weight. Okay, I'm losing your ass for 4 fucking years. I'm losing weight for what? If you go for you, if you don't sit down and selling drugs.
She pissed.
Alright. Sir. Don't talk to me. Wait, don't touch me. Wait. You know how fucked up that is? Like, I get if you're like, alright, look, you need to. Like, I'm really about to leave right now. Gwen, listen. Your person, you listen. Like, you know the money
She's
you
saying
what they do. Oh, you're not worried about it. What? Your clients.
She said, who's your clients?
I cannot believe you're doing this to me.
They in college.
You ain't playing with the bills, right?
Oh, she's crying.
Think you're a fucking drug addict. I'm not a fucking drug addict. You do drugs. Okay, just get away from me. Oh my god. Stop. Calm down. First of all, you have a gun too? Maybe.
She said you got a gun too.
You know what my gun?
She keeps sniffing on purpose, I think.
I don't know if it was a big deal. But I get why you.
She better got a gun.
You're gonna get us killed. You don't get us killed.
She said you gonna get us killed.
Stormy, wait. Stormy, wait. Okay, wait. Wait. I'm waiting. Just wait. I'm leaving. I'm not waiting. Move. No. I'm leaving you. No. Stop. I'm doing shit for you. I'm leaving. Oh, move out of my way. I'm not one of your clients. You're not gonna jack me in. Alright, you know what? You know what? I'm
She
gonna
said
you
you're
know why?
gonna jack me
You know
up.
why? It's a fucking prank. You're unloyal ass. It's just a prank. Yes, it is. This ain't even real money.
I've been
You
mad.
ain't fucking, you ain't your girlfriend. It's so fun that you just leave and leave me. You don't leave me? Oh, you fake. Oh, she fake. Yeah. That's you see that true feelings. Where's the camera? That's me see my true feelings, y'all. Really? Yeah, awesome. I didn't even see the camera, so I knew it couldn't be a prank. Like, there's no camera. You couldn't. That's somebody's true feelings, y'all. She'll leave a brother. Seriously? She'll just leave you like that. Won't even try to help you. Won't even say, baby, you know, there's some other ways and some stuff we can do. It's like you won't even help me out. If this camera would have not been out, let me see. You won't even help me. Give me this money. It's my money, babe. What's this money? It's my money, babe. Let me see the fake money. Babe, this is fake fucking drugs. Look.
What's the bag? It's bag over here.
Look at baking soda. This wasn't a good prank. This was really fucked up.
Eating baking soda?
What's up?
Dude, baking soda is. I used to brush my teeth with baking soda.
You can't smell it. It's car pressure. It's car pressure? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let me see that money. I still don't believe it. The drugs? Let me see it for real. If it is real money, you gonna be mad? Let me see it. Babe, this is okay. It's chill. This looks like real money. It's alright. I'm coming back for her ass. I'm coming back. I was like, I'm not crying and everything. It's not loyal. You guys already know.
I watched
Get
channel.
I hate to say it, but did she?
Yeah, she got you that
Still rocking
time.
with Team Stormy.
She got you that time.
I'm looking for a new girlfriend who goes into the story. Give my money.
Right.
Mama, give my money. I'm gonna think about this song when I see this. Ironic, that's really what I was just saying. Really? Okay, Mama told. Anyways, not the sale. You guys already know what to do. Get your ass in those comments. Tell us who is still. What team are you on? Make sure you like this video. Share this with anyone you know who can get a good laugh out of our drug dealer prank. Cause I legit thought she was a drug dealer. Yeah, like it's still in my mind right now. I'm like, oh my gosh. Why would you leave me? That's just mean. Yeah, you're getting left. Why would you leave me though? No, I'm leaving you. What was I saying? Oh, share this with everybody y'all know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. And your notifications. Turn them on, baby. So you will be notified every single time I make a new video. And we'll see you guys in our next work. No, I'm playing. In the next video. Peace.
Oh, they cool up there. This, I love their channel. They is hilarious.
I need to put some ice on my head or something.
Okay. Thank y'all for tuning in. Until next time, guys. Deuces.